all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to use function Alt+Hfis in Excel. In Excel, if you want to write serial number to your required number, you normally write 1 and 2. Then you highlight both of these and drag from this corner to your required limit, whatever it is. So there is another method to write serial number which is quite easy. So first of all, we will delete this. And now I will write 1, and after writing this, I will press here Alt plus HFIS, and here you can see the dialog box which is asking where do you want to write serial number, in rows or you want to write the serial number in columns. So I want to write it in columns, and then here you can see step value and stop value. So I will write here say 5000, and when I will click on OK, so you can see the Excel has written the number to 5000. I will use Control N, so you can see it has written the serial number up to 5000. So this is how you can use function Alt+Hfis in Excel to write serial number. In the end, if this video has helped, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.